superhero. You're welcome to class. Our topic today is saving the soil. Saving the soil. The soil is very precious to us and our way of living. Without the soil, there will be no plants, and without plants, we would have no food to eat. Sadly, our soil is moving away fast and it will never come back. This is called soil erosion. Soil erosion is the washing away or blowing away of the top layer of the soil. Soil erosion is the washing away or blowing away of the top layer of the soil. The top layer of the soil contains the nutrients responsible for making the soil fertile and promoting the growth of plants. The top layer of the soil contains the nutrients responsible for making the soil fertile and promoting the growth of plants. Now look at the natural forces that cause erosion. Natural means it's not caused by man, it's caused by nature. So those forces that are caused by nature that can cause erosion. Natural forces that cause erosion. The natural forces that cause erosion are water and wind. The natural forces that cause erosion are water and wind. Water washes the soil away and the wind blows the soil away. Now, there are some human activities that cause erosion. There are some things you and I do that could cause erosion. Cutting down trees and grasses. Trees and grasses serve as a cover to the soil. They protect the soil. So when trees and grasses are cut down, the soil becomes exposed. When rain falls, the water from the rain washes the soil away. There's no grass again to cover it or tree to cover it. And when the wind blows, it blows the soil away. Another one is overgrazing. Overgrazing means allowing cattle eat the grasses from a particular field for a long period of time. Overgrazing means allowing cattle to eat the grasses on a particular field for a long period of time. If cattle eat on the grasses on a particular field for a long period, very soon all the grasses will be finished and the soil will be exposed to erosion. That is called overgrazing. Overgrazing. Plowing the field. Plowing the field. Plowing also causes soil erosion. Now, before a farmer plants, he plows the field, he clears the field from weed, he plows the soil. Now, plowing exposes the soil and it makes the soil loose. When water comes, it washes the soil away, and when the wind blows, it blows the soil away. Well, there is good news. The good news is that we can actually stop soil erosion. Yes, we can save the soil. The process of saving the soil is called soil conservation. Soil conservation. Soil conservation means saving the soil from erosion. Soil conservation means saving the soil from erosion. Now, how can we save the soil from erosion? Methods of soil conservation: by planting of trees and planting of grasses. Instead of cutting down trees, we'll plant more trees and we'll plant more grasses or plant grasses. Now stop overgrazing. Stop overgrazing. Cattle should not be allowed to graze on the same land for a long period of time all through the year. Cattle should not be allowed to graze on the same land all through the year. Stop overgrazing. Then the farmer should reduce plowing of the field. The farmer should reduce plowing of the field. Do you know that some of the trash thrown away are useful and can be recycled? Yes. Recycling is the process of converting waste into new materials. Recycling is the process of converting waste into new materials. Which brings us to the topic, it's like magic. Abracadabra. It's like magic. Now, organic garbage, which consists of things that were once alive, food scraps. Food scraps means leftover food that were discarded, that were thrown away. Food scraps, grass clippings. Grass clippings. Grass clippings are loose pieces of grass produced by mowing or cutting. Now, organic garbage can be changed into a rich soil by the process called composting. Composting. Composting is the process by which organic garbage is changed into a rich soil. How is it done? Well, it's like magic, and I'm going to tell you the secret of the magic. When there is air and water and tiny animals in the soil, the organic garbage changes into rich soil. Now, tiny animals like snails, ants, and earthworms that are found in the soil break the organic garbage into small pieces. And when there is air and water, the organic garbage changes into rich soil. So, organic garbage plus air plus water plus tiny animals in the soil will give us a rich soil. Composting is the process by which organic garbage is changed or is turned into a rich soil. Now, this rich soil, it's called rich because it's packed full with nutrients. The rich soil has a lot of nutrients that is better for growing plants. It promotes plant growth. The rich soil promotes plant growth. Now, remember I said recycling is the process of converting waste into new materials. Now, composting is a way of recycling because organic garbage is waste and is turned into a new material, which is the rich soil. We have now come to the end of the class. I hope you now understand the concept of soil erosion and composting. Do well to attempt your quiz and assignment. See you next class. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.